November last year, I decided to go on low cut. So, guys, this is what my hair looks like right now, short hair. And then I said to myself, short hair or no short hair, I need to enjoy this to the fullest because I mean, I don't know when I'll go on low cut again. So, I want to try this hairstyle today. It's called finger waves. And then I want to make do with what I have in the house. I'll use my styling hair gel, my tail comb, and then my small mirror. So, that is what I'll be using today, guys. So let's see how the first thing to do is apply some amount of your styling hair gel on your hair, just like this. Okay, some people don't use styling hair gel, they use mousse and then is it eco gel, but I want to make do with what I have in the house. Whoosh! Wow, this thing hurts. I made a great mistake. I washed my hair last night. I didn't know I was going to relax it this morning, so it hurts. So right now, after applying your styling hair gel like this, the next thing is I want to make a pattern. Let me do like a C cut. Yes, let's do like a C cut. Okay, see what it looks like right now. Now you make use of your hard brush to smoothen it down. Let me start from this side because this is where I'm going to start first. Okay, make use of my tail comb. So here you want to go like this. I'm using this to arrange it. My hair is shut. So now let me move to this side. Oh, it comes out nice. It's my first time making this hairstyle. Not just that later. This hair is not as simple as I thought, guys. Yeah, I already used my small scarf to, press it down so that it will go. I'm done, guys. And this hair is not as simple as I thought. No. But I think next time I won't use styling gel. I'll go for maybe mousse or something better than this. But I just had to do this because that is what I have in the house and I have no choice. I have to make do with it, guys. Look at my feet.